welcome to Fresa Technologies YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see how to generate HSN summary report format 1 in the Fresa application. Initially, we have to log into Fresa application. After your successful login, this is how your dashboard looks. Now, go to the Accounts module. Here, we have to select the Tax Reports menu under the Accounts module. Now, we have to click the HSN Summary Report Format 1 menu. On this HSN Summary Report Format 1 page, we have to enter the required details. Then we have to click the Submit button. After clicking the Submit button, here we can view the HSN report along with the taxable value and taxable percentage details. If you want to download this detail, just click the Options menu. Then we have to click the Download option to download this report. This is how to generate HSN Summary Report Format 1 in the Fresa application. Thanks for watching.